Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yaya and I'm so happy to have you here. Today we're doing another unboxing of my 2 engagement or newly engaged subscription services that I get. You know, we have the ring box and of course the Miss to Mrs. box. So if you're not familiar with what these are, make sure you watch my first video because I was really informative in that video. But just to give you a little bit of background, this is, I'm going to tell you what the site says. I feel like I don't ever get it like how they put it. So let me tell you what the site says. Oh, I got the Wordle of the day. So if you're haven't done it today, sorry, spoiler alert. You can choose your subscription service. So there's a 3-month, a 6-month, a 9-month, or 12-month. The 6-month package is the most popular and perfect for subscription for those searching for bridal gifts. I think the 9-month because I got it pretty early on in my wedding planning process. And this one is, how much does it cost? $35 a month. Your first box is $15. I got mine for free, so I really think it just depends on what deal they're offering at the time. And yeah, so let's crack into it. I actually just filmed last weekend the last set of boxes, and I didn't realize I was so behind on those, so I'll have that video up probably this week. By the way, I did just upload another taste test with my brother, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked somewhere. Okay, so there's a little booklet in here. There we go. So it says, happy holidays, you're getting married. These are the exciting times ahead, and we can't wait to celebrate with you through every stage of your engagement. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of this excitement, this exciting time in your life. Love, the Ring Boxes team. All right, let's get into it. Oh my God. A future Miss beanie. That is so cute. So this is holiday themed, I think. Love that. I love that. I literally was at Bass Pro the other day, which I know random stores be looking for beanies, but I was with my man, and you know, the men just love Bass Pro. And I was like, should I get a beanie? But I was like, why would I get a Bass Pro beanie? Now I got one. Next up, what is in here? I got a little box. It's like fun. It's like always my birthday. It's always not a mug. A cute mug that says warm, cozy, and in love. Okay, that is hella cute. This is, oh, that's cute. It's little snowflake studs. That's very cute. Another little box. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I just seen it on the back. I'm literally about to decorate my tree tonight. So, oh my God, how freaking cute. It's a we're engaged ornament. Oh my God, I'm putting this up tonight. That is so freaking cute. And then the last thing looks like a clothing item. OMG. This was a cute ass box. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh my God, it's a cute little sleeve shirt. It says merrily ever after. How cute. This was a really cute and good box, and I'm happy that it's, let me not try and talk to you guys while I am doing all of this. I'm happy that it was holiday themed, because one thing about me, I do love the holidays. Next up, let's get into the Miss to Mrs. box. Okay, so this one is customized based off of your wedding date. If you don't have a date yet, you can still start today and then tell them later. Plans for weddings in 2022 to 2024 plus. So it says every themed Miss to Mrs. box has 6 to 7 exclusive full-size products for pampering bride-to-be and a planning guide with checklists, tips, and inspiration. So this one is $37 per box. And always the first box is themed let's plan this. So if you didn't see the first box that I had, go check it out because it was a really good box. So I think this one is geared towards like the time frame of your wedding planning, as opposed to maybe that one is more like around the year base, because that was all holiday. I don't really know what's in this box yet, but that was all holiday. I hope this one's holiday too, because I think that'd be so freaking cute, but we'll see. So this is the Miss to Miss wedding planning guide. So theirs is definitely themed towards planning, which I do appreciate, because I could always use the help. If you were interested in like becoming a wedding planner, this would be a like good thing to buy, like a good subscription service to have, because it has a lot of guides, like tips and tricks in here. They have a little list for your invite, don't invite. Bitch, I'm about to cut down on my fucking guest list, because this is exactly what I needed. Have you talked to the person in the last year? Yes or no? So I'm gonna tell you guys what it says if you say no. No. What type of connection do you have with the person? Friend or family? Family. Is it someone your parents would want there? Yes, no. Will they make your wedding more fun? No, don't invite. So the final question is, will they make your wedding more fun? If you get cut from the guest list, blame Miss to Mrs. Box. Just kidding, just kidding. Okay. Am I kidding? I don't know. It looks like I got another planner. Get Fit, Stay. Who is calling me and texting me? Nobody, it's an email. Get Fit, Stay Fit planner. Move. Oh my God, this is to get fit before my wedding. Okay. Because they literally know that every bride does this, I'm sure. But I feel like this is like geared for me right now, because this isn't just a short-term diet. It's a long-term lifestyle change. Patience, persistence, and a day at a time. And one day at a time. Okay, y'all, if you know me, you know that I'm a sucker for a planner. Will I use it for the whole year? Absolutely not. But for the first like 6 hours, I'm all in this thing. If you guys can hear background noise, behind this wall is my family room, and my man is playing the new Call of Duty. If you know, you know. If you've lost your man in the last like week or so, I feel for you, girl. 100 calorie food charts. Okay, this is so good. Weekly progress. It has 100 calorie food charts, so things that you can snack on that are only 100 calories. Little motivational quotes, your shopping list, pages, ready, say we go, photo time for like before and afters, weekly journal, what's my biggest achievements, workout tracker. Okay, this is cute as hell. I'm gonna be all up in this for the next like, honestly, I'm trying to reach a goal before my engagement photos, so I'm really gonna use this. A weekly meal planner. Dude, I'm so excited. This is a... Okay, so I'm not mad that this isn't... Is this like themed for like wellness? Because the other thing had like smoothies and stuff. Sweating for the wedding is a theme. Sweating for the wedding. Let me not show you guys what everything else is, but... Period. Okay, that's hella cute. What is this? Work harder, eat better, run faster, feel stronger. Miss to Miss. What is this? It's this little... Is this one of those like waterproof bags? What is this? This is totally a sweating for the wedding theme. I can see other things. What is this? A cooling towel. Now I'm so excited for a cooling towel. For sports, workout, running, hiking, fitness, gym, yoga, Pilates, travel, camping, and more, or swinging around in your room. Period. This is a resistance band. It sure is. I also got a resistance band. Let's see. Oh yeah, this would be good for my legs. I don't think this is the workout you're supposed to be doing with it, but ooh, now I'm feeling a burn. But I got a sports headband. To go with that, I got a sports wrist wallet for workouts and activities, so I can just pop this on and be running with my headband on, my resistance band, and my cooling towel. One thing about me, I love me a water bottle. It says do not, that's so cute. Do not forget to drink up your water. Like, get it? Donut. Do not. And it has the time stamps on it. This is cute as hell. I will bring this to work. And lastly, I got a shirt. It says "Sweatin' for the Wedding Workout Tank Top." This was a really cute box. I'm like, oh wow, it's jersey material. Okay, this is super cute. This is so cute. Let me tell you, I'm actually happy that I got both boxes because I really loved the holiday theme. Like, that's so damn cute. I also would have never thought that like I needed workout gear that is wedding or like engaged themed. This is hella cute. I'm most excited for that damn planner. That planner is so cute and really gonna be used. And you know, I love that everything went with each other too. Like, I literally could pull up to work out with all of this on and be doing the damn thing. So my little mug, hella cute. Okay, that is everything that came in these two boxes, you guys. I think so far these two are my absolute favorite. I really enjoyed the last two as well because it was like apparel based. If you guys have not watched that, make sure you guys go check it out. But yeah, I'm so excited. Now, here's the thing. Do we like waiting to do both boxes together, or do you guys want me to separate them and do the boxes separate? I kind of like doing them both together, so I kind of want to stick this way. But if there's a lot of you that say otherwise, I will. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you are newly engaged, congratulations to you and yours. Let me know your tips and tricks, you guys, because I'm kind of at one of those phases in my wedding planning process where I'm like pretty much at a calm. My venue is booked. I have a photographer. I have a DJ already in line. Alcohol will be taken care of further down the line. Yes, I do still need a dress and a tux and all the other stuff, but we have a really good idea in mind. Engagement photos are coming up. I have my decor person already set up. I still have to look for a cake person, and I have a vlog coming up. But I have a lot of stuff coming up, you guys. Let me know what more you guys want to see that's wedding related. Other videos as well, you guys. I'm still doing beauty stuff too. Like I said, if you have not seen my taste test with my brother, go check that out. And then I have some beauty stuff coming up in the works. Make sure you guys check out my shorts too. My shorts are also a little way I'm keeping beauty lined up in this as well. To give you guys a little update, let me tell you guys how many days until my wedding date. And if you guys can figure out the wedding date, comment down below. There's 284 days to my wedding. Now, this video will not be out on this date, so you guys gave me a little estimate. 284 days away until I get married. All right, guys, that is it. Before we go, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of stuff coming up. If you are getting married and you want to do this thing together, you guys want to plan together, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram. I am posting a little more on my Instagram as well. I also have a TikTok. I'll link all of those on here somewhere or down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!